Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin at the enrollment center with your Aadhar and ID. This is necessary because biometric or demographic changes require verification. Once you arrive, tell the operator you need photo and mobile number update and present originals. You will fill form Aadhar update with the operator. Write legibly. Make sure to provide a recent passport-style photograph now and confirm the exact mobile number you want recorded, because the next steps depend on OTP to that number. You hand over the filled form and copies for verification. The operator uploads demographic details and attaches your new photo. After that, you will give biometrics, fingerprints or iris, if requested, because the system re-verifies identity. Once the capture completes, you must verify a one-time password sent to the new mobile. Enter it at the kiosk. Make sure to collect the acknowledgement slip showing the update request number so you can track status later. You pay the prescribed fee and receive a receipt. Keep it. Once done, the center gives you a URN. Use that to check online and download your e-Aadhar after processing, usually within 7 to 14 days. If you do not get OTP during processing, make sure your mobile has network and is correct. Ask the operator to resend OTP or update the number again. If issues persist, visit center with receipt and URN to escalate and resolve the holdup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.